Hindi po ito yung focus natin. Kumbaga, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung contrast when it comes to not to redeem the time. Ito po, nakita nyo na kagad, pulang-pula. By singing, yan po yung nakasulat sa Ephesians 5:3-12. So, hindi ko na po isa-isahin yung mga nakasulat diyan. But, just to put it shortly, ito po yung kapag po tayo ay nagkakasala. Ito po ang isang quotation na nakita ko na very applicable when it comes to us or when it comes to person na nagkakasala. And alam ko, hindi lang po ako naka-experience ito. All of us experience this thing. Sabi po, ito po yung binanggit ni Gregory, sin will take you farther than you want to go. It will keep you longer than you want to stay. And it will cost you more than you want to pay. Parang ang sakit pakinggan, ano? So,